Sawubona, sawubona. Sawubona mngani. Welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. Igama lami uMama Thando. Igama lami uMama Thando. My name is Mama Thando. Let me teach you how to say that in isiZulu so you can also introduce yourself to me. Igama lami means my name. And then to say is, we always make sure we say u and then your name. Now, repeat after me. Igama lami u. Good job. Now, we're going to do this again, but this time you're going to add your name. When you say u, then you say your name. Now, let's go ahead and do that. Igama lami u. Beautifully done, mngani. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. I'm so happy to meet you. Now, I'd like to teach you how to say hello in isiZulu so that you can sing the hello song with me. Yeah, let's go on ahead. Look right up here in the orange. Sawubona. Sawubona. That is hello in isiZulu. Will you repeat that after me, please? Sawubona. Very, very good. Now that you know how to say hello in isiZulu, let's sing our Sawubona song, the greeting song. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Sawubona mngani. It's so wonderful to meet you. How are you? Unjani? Unjani. How are you? Well, it's kind of a tricky question if you don't know how to say that in isiZulu, isn't it? So let's sing the feeling song so that we can learn how to express how we feel in isiZulu. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila. Yena unjani? Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe uneme. Yena uyaphila. Bona banjani? Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila. Thina sinjani? Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule. Thina sijabule. Beautiful, mngani. Now we know the different feelings or emotions in isiZulu. And so now you can tell me, unjani, how are you? Unjani. Oh, beautiful. Nice to know. Well, I am happy. I am looking forward to next week. I'll tell you about it next week. Why I'm so excited. So, ngijabule, ngijabule. I'm happy. Now, let's learn the days of the week in isiZulu. Izinsuku zesonto, the days of the week. Let's practice saying that. Izinsuku zesonto. izinsuku. Repeat that after me, please. Izinsuku. Beautiful. Zesonto. Repeat it after me. Zesonto. Very well done. Now let's say the whole phrase. Days of the week. Izinsuku zesonto. Very good, mngani. Now, here are the days of the week in isiZulu, starting from isonto, Sunday, all the way down to umgqibelo, Saturday. Because today is Review Friday, we're not going to say the words one by one and slowly, slowly, slowly. I would like us to say them one by one, but a little fast-ish. Little fast-ish. Yeah, let's do that. But remember, even though we are going to be saying the words faster than usual, we are here to learn. This is a classroom, a place of learning. So if you are unable to keep up with how I am saying them, just pause the video so that you can say the word comfortably at your own pace, and then press play again to listen to the next day. All right, good job. Now let's go. Isonto, umsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, umgqibelo. Beautiful, mngani, beautiful. Now let's sing the days of the week in isiZulu. I need to put combat down so I can sing and dance. So remember, you can dance, you can snap your fingers, clap your hands, stomp your feet, whatever you feel like doing. Hey, you can even chikiza. So just do whatever you feel like doing. Now, let's go. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. One more time, but faster. Isonto umsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube umgqibelo. Izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. That was fun. That was fun and funny. Now, mngani, I would like you to look at the days of the week on the screen. Which one is missing? Take your time and look. Which one is missing? Which day of the week is missing? Very good, mngani. uLwesihlanu, today's word. Yes, uLwesihlanu is the one that's missing. Friday. Very, very good, mngani. I'm so proud of you. And so now let's go ahead and fill the board and answer the questions of what day is it today? What day was it yesterday? What day will it be tomorrow? Yeah, now let's start. Here we have namhlanje, today. What day is it today? We've already just said that it is uLwesihlanu. And so let's put that on the board. That was the day that was missing in that list. And now let's say the whole sentence. Today is Friday. NgesiZulu, in isiZulu. Repeat after me. Namhlanje uLwesihlanu. Very good, Mngani. And now let's also ask, what day was it yesterday? Izolo bekuwuLwesingaki. Izolo bekuwuLwesingaki. What day was it yesterday? So we are here, uLwesihlanu. And look at Comba's thumb. It's pointing at uLwesine, the day that it was yesterday. uLwesine. So let's put that on the board. Now we can say the whole sentence and say, Izolo bekuwuLwesine. Yesterday was Thursday. Repeat that after me, please. Izolo bekuwuLwesine. Oh, wonderful, Ngani. You said that really, really well. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow is kusasa in isiZulu. So we said today, namhlanje, uLwesihlanu. So which means tomorrow, umgqibelo. So let's put that on the board. Saturday, umgqibelo. I forgot to ask the question. Kuzobe kuwuLwesingaki kusasa? Kuzobe kuwuLwesingaki kusasa? What day will it be tomorrow? Now, let's answer the question. We've already put the words all on the board. Kusasa kuzobe kuwumgqibelo. Kusasa kuzobe kuwumgqibelo. Repeat that after me, please. Kusasa kuzobe kuwumgqibelo. Beautiful, Ngani. That was great. Moving right along to the weather. Isimo sezulu. Linjani izulu namhlanje? What's the weather like today? Linjani izulu namhlanje? Let's ask that question in song. Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje? Linjani izulu namhlanje, mngani? What's the weather like today, friend? Yeah, go on ahead and go check out the window and let me know how the weather is where you are. Yes, please do ask for help. Do not open the door by yourself. Do not look out the window by yourself if it's not safe. Ask for help. I'll be right here. Don't worry. I'll wait for you. Da-da-da-dee. Da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee. Da-da-dum. Da-da-da-dee. Oh, wena, it's you, Mngani. You're back. Okay, linjani izulu namhlanje? What's the weather like today? Ooh, you have such nice weather. Lovely, lovely weather. Well, now let's see what the weather is like here where Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom is. To do that, let's look out through the imaginary window. Look at that. There are clouds. Not a lot, but there are clouds. And the sun is bright, 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 bright. What is today's weather? It is warm. Lifudumele. 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 As you can see how shiny my face is, it's a bit warm in here today. Siyabonga, imaginary window. Now, let's put that on the board so we can answer the question, linjani izulu namhlanje? And there we go. Namhlanje izulu lifudumele. Will you repeat that after me, please? Today, the weather is warm. Namhlanje izulu lifudumele. Very good, Mngani. That was great. Now that we know what the weather is like, will you please help me with something? Yes, I would like to send Andile outside so he can go play. Let's help to get him dressed, yeah? Ngiyabonga. Sawubona Andile. Usuzogqoka? Ayikulungile. Oh, Andile says he's already put things out that he's going to wear. He just needs help putting them on. That's all. Oh, that's brilliant, Andile. Ooh, you chose some nice clothes too. So let's help Andile put his clothes on. Will you help me with that? Yeah. So here he has a pair of shorts. Shorts in isiZulu are isikhindi. Isikhindi. Repeat that after me, please. Isikhindi. Beautiful. Now let's tell Andile to put on those shorts. How do we say that in isiZulu? Yeah, we say Andile gqoka isikhindi. So let's tell him together. Andile gqoka isikhindi. Good job, ngiyabonga mngani. Oh, he has a nice white t-shirt. A t-shirt in isiZulu is isikipha. Will you repeat that after me? Isikipha. Great job. Now let's tell him to put it on. Let's say it together and say, Andile gqoka isikipha. Let's say that together. Andile gqoka isikipha. Beautiful, mngani. And now he has a cap. Oh, there are no shoes. Oh, okay, he says his feet will sweat, blah, blah, blah. He doesn't want to put shoes on. It makes sense though. But anyway, let's go ahead and just put on that cap, huh? Because that's the last thing he has. Ikepisi. Ikepisi. Let's tell him to put on the cap. We'll say, Andile gqoka ikepisi. Let's say that together. Andile gqoka ikepisi. Brilliant, mngani. Hamba kahle, Andile. Okay, he's gone now. We can continue with our work. The sound of the week is the next part that we are going to do. The sound for this week is the sound I. We've learned a few sounds these past couple of weeks. We've learned a, that we hear from amanzi, water, umama, mother. We've learned e, that we hear from the word phezulu. It's up, phezulu. We've learned I, and we said words like usisi, a big sister, usweetie, candy, sweets, usinki, the kitchen sink or the bathroom sink, whichever sink there is, usinki. And then izolo, we learned languages. We heard how to say I in the language isiZulu. And then we also heard the sound I in the language isiNgisi, English. Today, I've got two words for you. Isiketi. 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 Repeat that after me. Isiketi. Beautiful. That is a skirt. The next word, imali. Imali. Repeat that after me. Imali. Beautiful, Mngani. That is money. Imali. And now, the next part is the word of the week. The yummiest part of our board. The word of the week. The word of the week is igwinya. Igwinya. Now we've heard this word all week long and we have described igwinya. That's one, igwinya. Many, we say amagwinya. We described them, we said two amagwinya. Amagwinya amabili. We said a lot of amagwinya amaningi. So today, I would like us to say a tasty igwinya and tasty amagwinya. So the singular and the plural. Now let's go ahead and do that. Igwinya elimnandi. A tasty igwinya, a delicious igwinya. Igwinya elimnandi. Repeat that after me, please. Igwinya elimnandi. Good job. And now the plural. How to say amagwinya, tasty ones. Amagwinya amnandi. Amagwinya amnandi. Delicious amagwinya. Now repeat that after me. Amagwinya amnandi. Yeah, Bumgani, that's it. Very, very good. Do you remember how to say a brown igwinya? Can you try and say that? Yeah, you are right. Igwinya elinsundu. Elinsundu. So now let's say it in plural. Let's say brown amagwinya. Amagwinya ansundu. Amagwinya ansundu. Repeat that after me, please. Amagwinya ansundu. Beautiful, Mngani. And then we move to my favorite part. Izinombolo. Because it's Review Friday. We're not going to say the numbers from Iqanda to Isishiyagalolunye. We're going to sing them. Yeah, let's sing together. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Bala kanye nami. Iqanda. Iqanda. Kunye. Kunye. Kubili. Kubili. Kuthathu. Kuthathu. Kune. Kune. Kuhlanu. Kuhlanu. Isithupha. Isithupha. Isikhombisa. Isikhombisa. Isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalolunye. Isishiyagalolunye. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. That was beautiful. You remembered all the numbers and the song. Now, I would like you to look at the screen right here. We've got the numbers. 4 numbers. but they're not in order. Can you put them in the right order? Cool. Are you done? Okay, let's see how you did. Let's put them all in order now. Did you get them correctly? Shayizandla mngani, clap hands for yourself. Shayizandla, you did that wonderfully. I'm so proud of you. The last part of our learning is the number of the week. The number for this week is 3. Will you say that in isiZulu, please? In isiZulu? Very good. Kuthathu. You are right. Now we've placed these 1, 2, 3 sticks as we build our fence around our isiZulu classroom. So I would ask you to please count them with me. Let's count together. Kunye, kubili, kuthathu. Very good, mngani. And then we said, if we want to say 3 sticks, we say izinti, izinti, ezintathu, ezintathu. That's 3 sticks. Izinti, ezintathu. Will you repeat that after me? Izinti, ezintathu. Beautiful, Mngani. That was really, really good. I'm so pleased with how you've been working this past week. You've done a lot. You've learned a lot. And I'm sure that you are really, really enjoying it and practicing the words that we are learning. It's the start of the weekend, a time to rest, a time to just play and have fun. So, before we go, let's dance a little bit and get ready for the weekend. Wonderful, Mngani, just wonderful. I am so proud of you. I will see you next week. Salagahle, Mngani.
This message is for parents, guardians, and teachers. You can extend this lesson to your home or classroom. I have made this week's worksheets and other learning materials at zululessons.com. /isiZulu-classroom. Sala kahle.